In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to make image blur in Canva. First, upload your image in Canva. To upload image, click on Uploads in the left-hand side menu. Then Upload Files, click on that. Then select your image that you want to make blur. I will blur this one. Select and open the image. You must upload. Click on that image. Now I will blur this image. To blur this image, click on Edit. Scroll down and under effects here is blur effects, click on that. To blur whole image, choose whole image, increase in intensity. That's how you can blur your whole image. If you want to blur your particular section of the image, then you can choose brush option, and you can also increase or decrease brush size and intensity as well. Add brush. I will blur only this building. Click on left button of your mouse and draw that part you want to make blur. See, this building is blur right now. That's how you can blur your image in Canva. If this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel.